Alright, so here we have a Subaru transmission. If you notice here, something's missing here. The rubber's missing. This is the transmission we're replacing. This is one of the few things I noticed from what these last mechanics did. Now if you come under here under the car, you will notice there's a bushing on there. Well, instead of putting that bushing in there or even replacing it, they just fucking cut it out, and these fucking idiots smashed this shit up and bent it. So now when I try to put it on to the new replacement transmission with a bushing, it doesn't fit. Because idiots who don't know what they're fucking doing with cars.